Welcome back everyone, and in today's video I will be explaining how to use a quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. The equation we will be solving today is 9x squared minus 9x plus 2 equals 0. The first step is to identify the a, b, and c values. In this equation, our a value is 9, our b value is negative 9, and our c value is 2. After successfully finding these values, the next step is to plug them in to the quadratic formula. After plugging in the values, step number 3 is to simplify. After simplifying, we are left with two separate equations, 9 plus 3 divided by 18 and 9 minus 3 divided by 18. These will give us our 2x values. The two solutions to our quadratic equation are x equals 2/3 and x equals 1/3. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how to use the quadratic formula. Please continue to support my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing down below. Let's go for a 10 like goal on this video. Thank you so much, and peace.